Assalamualaikum everyone and welcome back. Today is Dogecoin video update on Monday and Dogecoin. Alright, so Doge seems to me for some reasons to be ugly at the moment. So let's actually dive on the weekly time frame. And so what is the weekly time frame really showing us? Someone can say that you have this lower support right now that Dogecoin is trying to hold a little bit just like that. But I've been telling you for the past videos, that if someone feels like Dogecoin is holding the support, then it's a good idea to put a stop loss down at the lowest wick, which is nearly 0.07049. We're sitting at 0.0484. From 84, if you go down to 70 and take down 70, that's where I reckon you're gonna go down. Now personally, I would say something good for Dogecoin, because considering what Dogecoin is doing, one can say that, hey, we're putting in like some sort of a bullish engulfing right next to the support level, which is a good sign. And on the other side, I have a problem because we like to follow Bitcoin, and that's the issue. Now, for some reasons, I would like to say that, Dogecoin is probably putting a continuation pattern like this. Something like that, yes. And if that continuation pattern plays out, we're looking for Dogecoin to basically go from there to there, and you could expect Dogecoin to move down to 0.054. So that's where I'm expecting Dogecoin to basically drop. So we're looking for 37% move to the downside, because even Bitcoin shows drops coming in. So yeah, I'm not in a favor of any move to the upside anytime soon. So keep that in mind. I do expect it to actually go all the way down here. Maybe some point of invalidation is to come up and close near 0.09894. That could be actually a back test, because when you come up here, you're going to invalidate that pattern, and that means that you've really held this resistance there, resistance here. You broke out and you came and you hold it as support. That would be a very solid statement that, hey, we've actually held support and we've broken out of that pattern. So be careful, tread careful. See you down here, 0.04 after 37% drop, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.